The premiere episode of Season 10 begins with a story called The Night Owl, and there will be a lot of big things here. It is important to note that in this episode you will see the first appearance of Anya Banerjee as Sia Malik, daughter of the late Mira Malik. In fact, the debut of Sia Malik is very exciting because it gives the Blacklist the opportunity to complete Mira's story a decade later. The show can take a deep emotional dive into the death of Mira and the role she had within the task force as Sia discovers her mother's past. This should lead to a new form of drama for the Blacklist and a brand new emotional connection for the audience. So, the official synopsis of the first episode reads, 6 months after Wu Jing's escape from custody, Reddington mysteriously resurfaces in Manhattan amidst an explosion. When a former blacklister is found at the scene, the task force begins to investigate a larger conspiracy at play. Remember that Wu Jing will most likely be the big bad for at least the first part of this season, given that the character first surfaced at the end of Season 9 and Shin Han has taken part in a good bit of production this go around. What do you think about the upcoming episode?